Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter to you and your family. It's so good to be back and talking with you guys again. So today we're vlogging. I decided to vlog about a few days leading up to Easter and a few days after Easter. So yeah, this is Saturday, I think the 4th of April. I went to work and this beautiful auntie came in to get her makeup done, and right after this, Imose and her boo came to pick me up because we went shopping for some things to make shawarma at home. And yeah, like this video is totally like a compilation of food, work, outing, vlog, makeup, and everything put together. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you really like it. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and leave me a comment below. I respond to every single comment, guys. Please drop me a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, if this is your first, second, third time that you're watching my video and you're not yet subscribed, the red button is just below this video. Like, it's free. All you have to do is to click on the red button. After that, a bell will pop on just beside the subscribe button. Click on all notification. What that means is you will always get notified every time we upload a new video. All right, so yeah, thank you so much. So I had planned to vlog the whole shawarma process, but there was no light and it was raining heavily, so we did everything off camera. Hey guys, so heading out to a friend's shop opening today, and she invited me like since last 2 weeks or so, but I didn't want to do like crazy makeup. I just did my brows, fixed my lashes, did my lips, and yeah, let's go. See you guys when I get there. Bye. And we're here, you guys. So this is my friend's new shop space. It's so beautiful, and so happy for her. Like, it's not easy owning a shop at all. Like, it's a lot of responsibility and work, and I'm super proud of her for this new stage of her life. So hey YouTube, I'm doing a little makeover for Oseme here, and we're live at Sarah's shop opening. So we're creating like a look for her today. All right, so Osama is also a makeup artist here in Benin City. So she also came here to celebrate with Sharon on her, grand shop opening. Like this day was really really fun. We had so much fun. There was food, there was music, and of course we did makeup. So the makeup turned out really really good, and I was super excited. And we also went live on Sharon's Instagram page. I'm going to leave her Instagram handle on the screen so y'all can check her out. Please follow her. And this is my beautiful, beautiful Madame CEO House of Ray. So her birthday is in a couple of days, and we decided to go and get her ready for a photo shoot. This is Nana. You guys know Faith. Her name on Instagram is Nana Empire. She is an amazing okuku artist. She's also a makeup artist and a gilly artist. She does everything, and she does it so well. So she's the one getting her ready right now. I already did her makeup, but I wasn't able to vlog that because there was no time. So we really needed to like get her ready quickly so she can take pictures and we can, go home because it was kind of late in the evening. Yeah, look at these beads, like hands down for Beanie brides. Honestly, they look so pink every time. These beads are original Beanie beads, coral beads, like they're so beautiful. You guys look at that. Oh my god. If you thought we were done with the hair, well, you guessed wrong. So this is the time to accessorize the hair, and a lot of these things are, significant to Benin brides as well. Some of them are Ada and Ebe. Some of them are like your own initials, your business, and some beads. And I've forgotten what they call them, Sha. But they just find a way to trick them around the hair, and yeah, this really brings out the beauty of the hairstyle. So this is the photographer, and this is the space we're going to be using to take pictures and making some more videos of her. Voila, so this is her first dress. I think this dress was made by Ricky Fashion House. I'm going to also leave her Instagram handle on the screen. She does amazing designs, like she styles and designs clothes. And look at this dress, this net dress is just, it's so beautiful and it's everything. I can't wait for you guys to see the second dress. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Ricky Fashion is your plug. I told you guys before in the last vlog where I filmed her birthday photo shoot and all of that. Yeah, she's absolutely amazing. Let's take a minute to appreciate how beautiful this woman is. Like, she is so gorgeous, she's stunning, her skin is popping, everything is just so pretty. Look at that. Oh my god, you guys, leave me a comment below if you love this entire look. Comment down below if you love Beanie brides or you be so beautiful. Right, so this is Ricky Fashion on the right side. She made the black of this same dress for herself last month for her birthday. I did vlog this here on YouTube. I just wanted to put it side by side so you guys can see it. And absolutely love the design. Like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. That's if you've watched up until this point. Leave me a comment below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.